Are you filming?
We're good. All right.
Okay, this is a sudden death game of skate. If you land a trick and it's dirty, you get a letter. Even if it's your set. If you land it and it's dirty and you're on defense, you get a letter. Except when you're on your last letter and when you're on your E, then you get to redo it, but you gotta land the last one steezy if you fail the first one, or else you get a letter and you lose.
And if anybody else noticed the biker in front of the camera, it brings me to a very important point. Damn bikers and scooters getting all skateboarders play. Everybody out there should know the feels.
I was a BMX race driver.
I know you were. You were in someone's way at one point.
And now you have that
I love
haircut
you
of a
too.
white douche.
You know, get your hat off your sweaty ass head.
Anyway.
Hi. See how this is gonna go.
Are you guys two or something?
Rocket. I used rock for that whole time.
That was terrible.
Damn it, I get a letter.
S.
Okay, hold on. Let's add an addendum. You have to roll away from it. Let's add another card. You have to roll away.
I got it.
That's part of clean, Orion.
I know, but last game, you counted it.
That was good.
Got landed, that was clean.
So we're all in F, right? We're all in F, right?
Yeah, we're all in that.
All in F. Go.
Go, Vendetta.
Okay.
How you doing?
Is that one good enough? Or was it K?
So I was giving it to him.
All right.
Another front side pop show. Totally.
A.
Fucking God.
K.
Yeah, but I'm redeeming myself on that trick anyway. Or not.
K.
Yeah.
Are you filming?
A. Oh no, you're at T.
Yeah, no, I know.
It's your set, hippie.
Damn it.
A.
I got it.
Hey.
Catcher's at T, the other two are at A.
I feel like you're not wearing your Harley Quinn hat today.
Motherfucker.
You get one more shot.
Land it easy, remember?
Easy.
That wasn't easy.
He's out. That wasn't Steve.
You're out.
There was no pivot.
Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can do this, Steve.
There was
I'll
no
land one
pivot.
foot.
Bonus.
Time with these, Krista. Come on.
Bonus fail. Trevor set.
And another thing, we can't do tricks that we failed. We got a previous letter on. If we try to set a trick and we failed it, we can't do it again.
Nigga.
He's out.
That's too hard. That's too hard.
He's got a point. He's got a point, hippie.
Oh well.
We're not doing it that way.
Pivot.
Yeah.
T.
What's that?
Yeah.
My God, you're going fast. Yeah, Joe. What the heck?
T.
So me and him are TT.
Yep.
That means Trevor better land his next set and better land and do it.
Or he's got to land it Steezy.
So since we're not doing the can't do the same trick we tried before, we got a letter. Oh, what trick I'll do?
You have to have not landed. Like, not counted landed.
You get one shot. It's got to be Steezy.
That was a sneezy.
You can't do that trick, Steve.
Sure you can. You're really good at the trick.
Orion wins.
I win. Hold on. Victory kickflip. I'm probably going to fail this one.
Victory failure.
Victory fail.